front of me is REALME C25s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up AppLock on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and choose Passwords and Biometrics. Then click on Set Lock Screen Password over here and tap on Use a different password type. Now select one of those login methods over here, like pattern, and enter it. When you're ready, you need to repeat it and answer this security question. You can also just click on it over here and pick one of those, or even select Custom and create your own. Save it by clicking at the top right corner, and remember to answer it correctly below. You can also over here link your account by tapping on the switcher and even set recover email. When you're ready, click at the top right corner. Now to save all of those changes, you need to click at the top right corner here and finally tap on AppLock. Now you can select apps that you wish to lock by tapping on the switcher next to the chosen ones. I will go with Calendar. Then you can also click on Use and use your face data to unlock your apps. I will go with Cancel though and just Home button. Now when I try to access Calendar, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!